little skit through Christchurch to get out to the New Forest, and heading to Brockenhurst. There is a Dorset Grit and Gravel Ride today. I might get there in time, I might not. Either way, I'm on my bike, having fun. I haven't done a big ride since the cross country last year in October. So, what's that? 2.5 months ago. Nearly three months actually. So, be interested to see how it goes this morning. I'm a bit out of breath at the moment. Man flu. Everything's still sort of clearing, but usually after the first half hour it all clears up, and fingers crossed. There's 2 bridges that have been down, well, for as long as I can remember, along this part of the railway, and I don't suppose they'll ever be repaired, but it's quite good fun going up and down the embankment. So, just done one, second one just coming up. On the second one I tried a bigger gear. I'll be honest, I nearly ripped the hoods off getting up that last tiny bit, so I think a bit more speed in next time. Anyway, Brockenhurst ahead. Up at the Canadian War Memorial. Nice roady downhill, fast downhill next. I'm wondering whether riding in was a good idea. Oh, we're not even halfway round yet. Anyway, this bit's downhill when you're the size I am. It has a greater effect, so a bit of speed. So we've just stopped at Hockey's, I think it's called, cafe, which is out the back of Ringwood, and next we're going to be heading up to Hyde, across where the bombing arrow is. I don't know what the area is called actually, and then back up to the Canadian War Memorial. As is customary when we come this way, we've stopped at the bombing arrow. So it almost went straight past it again. Doesn't matter how many times you come here, it's so easy to miss it. But here it is. pub there. They said that a group had gone on ahead, so I've chased up after them, and I don't think I've gone the wrong way. This is where I expected to come out, but I haven't seen them. So do I wait or do I go on? I mean, I know the rest of the route back, but I guess I should wait and see what happens. Welcome to Long Beach. Still no sign, but I need to look down there as well, because it's possible that they'll come down the road there, but very unlikely. It's always here where we come out, so either way, it doesn't matter, because I know the way back. I can just, you know, get on the group chat and say, I'm fine. See you back at Brockenhurst, or even the Canadian Memorial, which is just up the road there. So anyway, I suppose while we're here I can tell you a little bit about the bike. So it's a Giant Toughroad SLR GX1, and aluminium frame. Came with Tiagra, which I've kept, but it has got the hydraulic Tiagra on it now. Before it had the giant block here, which went from cable to to hydraulic, and that worked fine. In fact, Julie's got it on her bike now, and it was a really good upgrade for her. I have put the Ritchie VentureMax bars on, and look at that clearance in the front there. I mean, you can put massive tyres on this. So 700C, got the DT Swiss C1800 splines, Schwalbe G1 bites. Now, I'm afraid I don't have a good thing to say about those tyres. They are not great for gripping on gravel, and they are not great for gripping on the road. I'm not sure what they're built for, to be honest. So it's got 4634 105 CX50 crankset, just basic Shimano 530 pedals, 1132 on the back, and it does have the defuse bendy seat post thing, which actually is really quite comfortable, and an ergon mountain bike saddle. It's nice and wide. I did actually go and get myself measured, which is one of the best things I've ever done. I can sit on it, you know, 100 miles in a day, no problem. I do like this Planet X bar tape, the sort of carbon effect black bar tape. I get that every time now. It's just I don't know if it's comfortable or what it is. I just like the look of it, I like the feel of it, especially in the summer when I don't wear gloves. It's nice grip, so there we go. I've chucked a side mount, a side access bottle cage on it, so I can have the frame bag, which has got camera bits and rain jacket. I'm carrying a bottle cage with all my tools, spare tubes, things like that, tyre boots, because of course I need to make sure I carry enough for both of us. So when I'm out with Julie, I've got everything for her bike as well. She's got a slightly different setup, and as well as the stuff that I might need. So there it is, my Giant Toughroad SLR GX1. So this will be a dawn till dusk ride. I mean, it's very close to getting dark now, and a bit of a Strava fail halfway through. Probably not as many miles as I would have liked in a long day, but yeah. Anyway, toughen up, princess, you know what I mean? So just get back, put it behind me. It's still a good ride, it was still a good day. Made a few mistakes and got lost from the pack and what have you, I'll go back out again, and this time I'll do what I'm told. I'll just follow the route. Maybe this is one argument for getting a bike computer, so the more people on a group ride that have got the actual route, the better, I guess. So yeah, maybe that's one argument for doing that. So. By the way, have I ever mentioned just how much I love this bike? It hasn't put a foot wrong all day. Unfortunately, the riders let it down a little bit today. So, only got to get to there now. Sort of home free, sort of pavement, gravel, hard packed gravel. Should be clean and tidy. And yeah, up the hill and home. That's what I've just come through, so you can't really see how boggy it is from here, but you can see by the tyres how deep it was and how far it's gone up the spokes. So managed to get through without ending up with my face in it, so good job. Right, onwards and finish. Remember at the beginning of the day I said, you know, the sniffing and what have you, the tubes would clear as the day went on. Well, they didn't, so it's quite obvious that I got some sort of man flu. But anyway, such is life. I got back. I am absolutely destroyed, to be honest. Yeah, maybe we're going to have to rest up and just clear this, whatever it is, before I do anything stupid like dawn to dusk again. But no doubt we'll be back out on the bike tomorrow. Maybe something a bit more gentle.